Dear students, in this video I am going to explain about the new topic, that is circle. Circle, very interesting topic. Okay, so in intermediate public examinations, so you will get two 2 marks question, one 4 mark question, two 7 marks questions, total 22 marks. So this chapter is very important in intermediate public examinations. You will get 22 marks. Okay, so if you learn this chapter carefully, then remaining chapters, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, are very easy to learn. Okay, why means the topics the topics in parabola, ellipse, hyperbola are very similar to this unit. Okay, so that's why please concentrate and learn the things carefully. Okay, right. So if you are new, then subscribe my YouTube channel Maths Friend. So in Maths Friend, if I upload any new video, then you will, if you subscribe to this channel, then you will get notification, then you can learn the things. Okay, right. So the contents of this topic, this video contents are definition of definition of circle and various different forms of circle, and important points, important observations, and next parametric equations. Okay, right. So first we will learn about the definition of the circle. The definition of the circle is: a circle is the set of points in a plane such that they are equidistant from a fixed point. They are equidistant from a fixed point. The condition here, the locus of the points P, means this point P, this is the general point P, it is moving such a way, in such a way that the condition from a fixed point, and this is the fixed distance. Let us suppose this distance is 5 units and this is also 5 units. So this is the point P, it is moving from a fixed point with a distance 5 units. So then the set of all these points, if we add all these points, then we will get a circle. So here the fixed point C is called as center of the circle. So this fixed point is called as center of the circle, and this fixed distance CP is called as radius of the circle. So here C is called as center of the circle, and CP, fixed distance, this is fixed point, right? This is fixed point and this is fixed distance. This is called as radius of the circle. So here I am giving one more terminology, that is diameter of circle. So twice radius is called as diameter. So this is diameter of the circle. So in a circle we have infinite radii. The plural word of radius is radii. So we can draw infinite radii and infinite number of diameters. Diameter means which is passing through center, the line segment, which is the biggest chord of the circle is called as diameter. Now various forms of circle. Various forms of circle. So in this one, first form, that is standard form of circle. Okay, the equation of the circle in standard form is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where h comma k is the center of the circle and r is the radius of the circle. So this is the circle. If the center is h comma k and p x comma y is any general point, any point on the circle, on the circle, on the boundary of the circle, we have infinitely many points. From those infinitely many points, px comma y is general point. Okay, right. So here CP is called as radius and it is denoted with r. So the distance, that is CP is equals to r. CP is the distance between center and point on the circle. So write the distance formula, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r. If we squaring on both sides, we will get this equation, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So this is the equation of the circle in standard form. Okay, right. So here C h comma k is the center and r is the radius, right? Now if center is located at origin, that means C h comma k is 0. The center is at origin, that is called as basic form, that is basic form or standard form. Okay, so that reduces. If center lies, center is 0 comma 0 and r is the radius, then the equation of the circle become x minus 0 whole square x square, y minus 0 whole square y square is equal to r square. Okay, so x square plus y square is equal to r square is also standard form where center is located at origin and with radius r. Next, general equation of a circle. General equation of a circle can be represented as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So in this one, center is minus g comma minus f and the radius is under root of g square plus f square minus c. So remember these formulas and remember the general equation. Okay, so how did we get this general equation and what are the conditions? So the general equation of second degree, most in general form, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, which you learned in first year geometry in pair of straight lines. Okay, so which this general second degree general equation represents a circle if and only if a is equal to b and both are not equals to 0. So a, h, b, g, f, c all are taken from real numbers and a, b must and should be equal. Here a x square coefficient a is 1, y square coefficient is 1, right? So otherwise we can have x square coefficient 2x square plus 2y square, like that also we can have. Okay, so a is equal to b and which are both are not equals to 0 and h must and should be 0. That means there is no xy term in equation, general equation of a circle, there is no xy term. So this h should be 0 and this term g square minus f square minus ac should be greater than or equal to 0. So if it is greater than 0, it is a real circle. If it is equals to 0, then it is a point circle. If it is less than 0, there is no circle, there is no circle with negative radius, right? So if it is less than 0, then it is a imaginary circle. It is an imaginary circle. So, and one more condition, that is delta not equal to 0. Delta already you learned in pair of straight lines. So delta means a, h, g, h, b, f, g, f, c. The determinant of these elements should not equals to 0. Then it represents, these second degree equations represent a circle equation. Okay, so how can we remember these terms? Already I given hint in hyperbola topic. So all hostel girls having boyfriends gone for cinema. So the first letters of those words, all hostel girls having boyfriends gone for cinema, right? So if we simplify that one, we will get one condition, that determinant delta not equals to 0. So these are the conditions to represent a second degree equation as circle. Okay, so how can we find this center and radius from general equation? So here I am giving the derivation. So convert the general equation into standard form. How can we convert? So x square, completing into square form, x square plus 2gx right in one bracket plus y square plus 2fy right in another bracket is equals to minus c, right? So here I am adding, so a square plus 2ab plus b square, so this become a plus b whole square, right? So x square plus 2x into g, we don't have g square, so adding both sides g square. So similarly y square plus 2 into y into f plus f square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here we don't have f square, so adding both sides f square, that means here g square f square added and on left side, so here I am also adding to the right side. So g square f square gets cancelled and again we will get same term. Okay, so this is of the form x plus g whole square, this is y plus f whole square, this is under root of g square plus f square minus c whole square, square root gets cancelled, we will get g square plus f square minus c. So compare with the standard form. What is the standard form of the circle equation? Equation of the circle, y minus k whole square is equal to r square. If we compare, we will get center h is equals to minus g, minus h is equal to plus g, then h is equals to minus g, h comma k is the center, right? So minus k is equal to plus f, then k is equal to minus f, r square is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c whole square, then r is equal to this one, under root of g square plus f square minus c. Like this we will get center and radius for general equation of the circle. So this is a very, very important equation, remember this. Now diameter form of the circle. If the equation of the circle whose diameter extremities means end points, if end points of the diameter is given, then we can find the equation of the circle by using this formula. Okay, so ax1 y1 bx2 y2 are the end points of this diameter. Let px comma y be a point on the circle. So then this is the semicircle. So angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So here the observation is AP is perpendicular to BP. So then the product of their slopes, that means, so here angle APB is equal to 90, right? As angle in semicircle is 90 degrees. So then the product of the slope of AP into slope of BP is equal to minus 1, as they are mutually perpendicular to each other. So what is the slope formula of AP? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that means y minus y1 by x minus x1 into slope of BP, same formula, y minus y2 by x minus x2 is equals to minus 1. So y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to minus of product minus 1 into this one, x minus x1 into x minus x2. So then bring that term to left side, then we will get x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to 0. So this is the equation of the circle when the extremities, end points of diameter are given. Next, parametric equations of a circle. Okay, so let us take O0 comma 0 is the center of the circle, R is the radius of the circle, this is y-axis, x-axis. So here Px comma y be a point on the circle, then this distance is x and this is the perpendicular drawn to on x-axis. So then this distance is y, right? So from this triangle OAP, this is the angle theta. So this P moves from here to here, that means this is the line segment, this is the radius making angle theta with positive x-axis, and this varies from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, right? From triangle OAP, what is cos theta? Cos theta is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is radius. From this x is equal to r cos theta. So this x is r cos theta, right? X is equals to r cos theta. So similarly, from what is sin theta? Opposite to theta, that is y by r. So y is equal to r sin theta. So r cos theta comma r sin theta is the parametric coordinate, and here x is equals to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta is the parametric equation where theta lies between 0 to 2 pi. 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. R is the radius and theta is the angle. So these are the parametric equations when the radius is r and center is 0 comma 0, right? So if the center is shifted to h comma k, then what happens? Same thing. So this is center h comma k, right? So this is x comma y. Then here this is the origin, right? Okay. So this is h, this is x. So this distance is what? X minus h. Similarly, this is k and this is total y. This distance is y minus k. So this is theta and this is r. So from this cos theta is equal to what? X minus h by r. From this x minus h is equal to r cos theta. X is equal to h plus r cos theta. Similarly, sin theta is equal to y minus k by r. Sin theta is equal to y minus k by r. So y minus k is equal to r sin theta. Then y is equal to k plus r sin theta. So x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta, where theta lies between 0 less than or equal theta less than 2 pi. So these are the parametric equations of a circle when center is h comma k and radius is r, and theta is the parameter which runs from 0 to 2 pi. 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. That condition also very important. You should mention that condition while writing parametric equations. Okay, right? So if it is if center is 0 comma 0 and radius is 1, then if it is unit circle, then x is equal to r is equal to 1 for unit circle. X is equal to cos theta, y is equal to sin theta, 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. So these are the parametric equations for where circle, center of the circle is origin and radius is 1 unit. Okay, right? So these are the parametric equations of the circle. Now important notes. So in general equation, what is the general equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. That is the general equation of the circle. In that, if g square plus f square minus c is equals to 0, it represents a point circle. So in this case, center, if a center is given c2 comma 3, then c2 comma 3 is the center and that is the point circle. So the equation of the point circle with center 0 comma 0 is x square plus y square is equals to 0 comma 0. Center means g comma f, minus g comma minus f is 0 comma 0. Then substitute g is equal to 0, f is equal to 0, then constant becomes 0. Okay, so then x square plus y square is equals to 0, right? The equation of the circle passing through the origin, that means there is a circle which is passing through origin like this. There are infinitely many circles which are passing through origin. So like this we have infinitely many circles. So if a circle is passing through origin, then immediately we can substitute that point origin in general equation. So this is the general equation, right? So this becomes 0 square. It's as 0 comma 0 is on the circle, it should satisfy the equation of the circle, right? So substitute 0 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 0, 2f by into 0, c is equal to 0. Then c becomes 0. So if c becomes 0, if we substitute in general equation, so x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f is equal to 0. So remember that point. If a circle is passing through origin, then constant becomes 0. Next, the equation of a circle having the center on the x-axis. So this is x-axis, so this is the center. So then the center is minus g comma 0. So y means on the x-axis the center is of the form minus g comma minus f, where f is 0. Okay, right. So as f is 0, then there is no 2fy term. 0 into something 0, then x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0 is the equation of the circle. These are very important points. While these are useful when we when in problem solving, right? So similar problem, the equation of a circle having the center on the y-axis is, if center lies on y-axis, that means the point is 0 comma minus f. Okay, center minus g comma minus f, right? So on y-axis x coordinate is 0, then g will be 0. So if we substitute g is equal to 0, then we will get x square plus y square plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So that is the equation of the form, equation of the circle having the center on the y-axis. Next, the equation of a circle concentric with the circle x square. First of all, concentric circle. Concentric circles means two or more circle with same center, having same center. So these circles are called as concentric circles. So the important observation is concentric circles, equation of the concentric circles are differ by a constant. For example, the equation of this circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Then the equation of this circle is same, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy, but there is another constant c dash. For example, x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0 is one circle. Then another concentric circle equation is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 10 is equal to 0, like that. So only the difference is at constant. Okay, next, if a circle having 1 unit radius, okay, if the radius of a circle is 1 unit, then the circle is called as unit circle. Right? So next, one more observation. This is the circle intersecting x-axis at two distinct points. So here a1 x1 comma 0, y means on the x-axis y coordinate is 0, a2 is another point, this one. So if we substitute here, y coordinate is 0, right? So if we substitute in the equation, general equation, we will get x square, y becomes 0 plus 2gx, 2fy becomes 0 plus c is equal to 0. Why? Because y value is 0. So this is the quadratic equation in terms of x having roots x1 and x2. So then sum of the roots x1 plus x2 is minus b by a, that is minus 2g, and product of the roots x1 x2 is equal c by a, that is c. So from this x1 minus x2 is equals to under root of x1 plus x2 whole square or modulus, okay, or x1 minus x2 whole square. So x1 plus x2 whole square minus 4x1 x2. x1 plus x2 whole square means 4g square minus 4c. So 4 taking as common, g square minus c. So this is the value of x1 minus x2 whole square. So then mod x1 minus x2 is equals to squaring, apply square root on both sides, apply 4 means 2 into under root of g square minus c. So 2 into under root of g square minus c is the difference between these two. This is the distance between a1 and a2, that is x1 minus x2 distance. So that is 2 2 into under root of g square minus c. So that is a1 a2 is equal to 2 into under root of g square minus c. So here what is the discriminant? Discriminant is equals to b square. B square means 4g square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into c, 4c. So 4 into g square minus c. So if 4 into g square minus c greater than 0, that means g square minus c is greater than 0, then we have two roots, means circle intersect x-axis at 2 points, right? So if g square minus c, if discriminant is equals to 0, then g square minus c is equal to 0, then it have only one 0, that means the circle touch the x-axis, that means a1 and a2 become coincide. Okay, if g square minus is c, that means discriminant is negative, then circle will not touch x-axis. So by using these three conditions, we can say that the circle is touching or not touching or intersecting. We can find. Okay, so similarly, f square minus c greater than 0. If f square minus c greater than 0, then circle touch at 2 points b1, b2, and the distance between these two is 2 into under root of f square minus c. Okay, so if f square minus c is equal to 0, the circle touch y-axis. If f square minus c less than 0, circle will not touch y-axis. So these are the important condition, important notes which we learned in this video. So revise this video and learn the concepts, very important concepts. Okay, thank you.